Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up, the Christmas holiday, and I know a lot of you are looking for recipes to use to prepare for your family as they gather for the holiday. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of sides, of entrees, and of desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family will like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right? Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people, and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye. What makes this banana cream pie so special is that it's not loaded on top with whipped cream. But if you prefer a lot of whipped cream, you can always make your own fresh whipped cream and put it on top yourself. The original recipe for this banana cream pie came from McEwen's restaurant in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm not sure if they still serve it there, but that's where it originated.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
If you feel this recipe takes care of so many holiday needs, why don't you give it a thumbs up? That's a like. Make sure you share for anybody who would be able to use it as well as you. And I thank you for staying to the very end. Please try to be the blessing to someone today. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I'll see you next time.